Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're taking a closer look at a tool that promises to bring precision and style to your curls, the Conair Curls N Curls 5/8-inch curling iron. If you're after tight, defined curls or tendrils for your short to medium length hair, this curling iron could be your new go-to styling tool. Let's see how it performs. The Conair Curls N Curls 5/8-inch curling iron is designed specifically for creating tight curls with a 5/8-inch barrel. This tool is all about precision, making it perfect for those who want more defined curls without the frizz. The barrel is made of anodized aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing any unwanted hot spots that could lead to damage. The cool tip allows for safer styling, which is a nice feature if you're someone who tends to get a little clumsy with the iron. When it comes to styling, the automatic curl release is a real win. It makes it easier to quickly release the curl without worrying about tangling or burning yourself. This is especially useful when you're styling your hair in a hurry. The 5-foot swivel cord is another thoughtful touch, giving you plenty of freedom to move around without feeling tethered to one spot. And, of course, the stylish pearlized handle makes it feel like a luxury tool every time you pick it up. I tested the Conair Curls N Curls on my own hair, which is medium length and tends to hold curls fairly well. The first thing I noticed was how quickly it heated up. Within seconds, it was ready to go, which is perfect for anyone who's pressed for time in the mornings. I started with the lowest heat setting to see how it fared, and I was pleased with how easily it created soft, defined curls that held all day long. For tighter curls, I simply bumped up the temperature, and the results were impressive. Tight curls that lasted even after a couple of hours of wear. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this curling iron is incredibly easy to use. The automatic curl release function is a game changer, and the cool tip adds an extra layer of safety. The heat is evenly distributed, so I didn't have to worry about any patches of hair being over or understyled. The 5-foot swivel cord is a nice convenience, especially if you like to move around while styling. However, there are a couple of drawbacks worth mentioning. The 5/8-inch barrel is great for tight curls, but if you're after looser waves or bigger curls, this may not be the best option for you. It's also a bit smaller than some other curling irons on the market, so if you have thick hair, you might find yourself needing to work in smaller sections, which could take longer. In terms of value for money, I'd say this curling iron is a solid choice. It's affordable for a high-quality styling tool, especially given its features like the even heat distribution and the automatic curl release. Considering its performance and the results I got, the price feels justified. There are, of course, other curling irons on the market with similar features, but many of them are either more expensive or come with larger barrels. If you're specifically looking for tight curls, this one offers great value without unnecessary frills. For those with longer hair or who want a more versatile iron that can handle different types of curls, you might want to check out the larger barrel options Conair offers. As for the build quality, the tool feels sturdy in your hands, and the pearlized finish gives it a chic look that would stand out on any vanity. It heats up quickly and stays hot for as long as you need it to. I didn't notice any wear and tear after a week of consistent use, which is a good sign for its durability. Customer support with Conair has always been top-notch. I haven't personally had to contact them for any issues with this curling iron, but their customer service reputation is solid, and I trust that they'd be responsive should anything go wrong. If you're on the lookout for alternatives, there are some similar curling irons out there, but I wouldn't recommend them unless you're okay with spending significantly more for comparable features. There are certainly cheaper options available, but you might lose out on the consistent heat distribution or ease of use that this Conair iron provides. To sum up, the Conair Curls N Curls 5/8-inch curling iron is a great tool for those seeking tight curls without the fuss. It's easy to use, heats up quickly, and delivers lasting results. If you have shorter to medium length hair and love defined curls, this is a great choice for your beauty routine. However, if you're after something that can give you looser waves or is better suited for longer, thicker hair, you might want to consider a larger barrel size. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.